Welcome dear viewers to our channel Smart Math Learner. Here we are again discussing on the topic SSLC different types of problem version 16 and continuation to the trigonometry topic in our channel Smart Math Learner. And today's the first question is, if x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta and x sin theta plus y cos theta, prove that x square plus y square is equal to 1. Solution: since x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta, taking as x sin theta into sin square theta and y cos theta to cos square theta is equal to x sin theta into cos theta. Since x sin theta is equal to y cos theta, substituting this in the equation, we get x sin theta into sin square theta, x sin theta into cos square theta, and taking common x sin theta, we get sin square theta plus cos square theta into bracket x sin theta, and sin theta get cancelled. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 will become x sin theta, x is equal to cos theta, which is equation 1. Substituting this in equation, we get cos y is equal to sin theta. From 1 into squaring and adding, we get x square plus y square is equal to cos square plus sin square theta. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Next question: if cosecant theta minus sin theta is equal to a and secant theta minus cos theta is equal to b, prove that a square b square into bracket a square plus b square plus 3 is equal to 1. Solution: LHS is equal to a square plus b square into bracket a square plus b square plus 3. Substituting value of a, we get cosecant theta minus sin theta whole square, secant theta minus cos theta whole square into cosecant theta minus sin theta whole square plus secant theta minus cos theta whole square plus 3. Expanding, we get cosine square theta minus sin square theta minus secant square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 secant theta plus into cos theta plus 3. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and cosecant theta into sin theta is into 2 and secant theta into cos theta is equal to 1, so minus 2 and minus 2 and plus 1 plus 3, we get cos x square theta plus secant square theta, and converting into cosecant theta into sin and secant theta into cos, we get sin 1 by sin theta minus sin theta, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta whole square, and 1 by sin square theta plus 1 by cos square theta. So we get, taking LCM, 1 minus sin square theta divided by sin theta whole square, 1 minus cos square theta whole square divided by cos theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 divided by sin square theta into cos square theta. So cos square theta divided by sin theta whole square and sin square theta divided by cos theta whole square into 1 by sin square theta cos square theta, and cancelling all, we get cos raised to 4 theta and sin raised to 4 theta divided by sin square theta into cos square theta, and 1 by sin square theta and cos square theta, cancelling all 4 cos square theta and cos square. We get sin square to 4 theta by sin square theta. We get 1, which is our RHS. Moving to the next question. Prove that 1 by secant square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 by cosecant square theta minus sin square theta into sin square theta cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta divided by 2 plus sin square theta into cos square theta. Taking LHS, 1 by secant square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 by cosecant square theta minus sin square theta into sin square theta cos square theta. Converting secant square theta into cos and cosecant into sin, we get cos square theta by 1 minus cos raised to 4 theta sin square theta divided by 1 plus sin raised to 4 theta into sin square theta cos square theta, and taking LCM we get cos square theta minus cos square theta into sin raised to 4 theta sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos raised to 4 theta divided by 1 plus cos square theta sin square theta and 1 plus sin square theta into cos square theta. And taking common cos square theta sin square theta, we get cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta into cos square theta. One minus sin square theta into cos square theta divided by 2 plus sin square theta into cos square theta, which is our RHS. Moving to the next question. Solve for theta. Cos square theta minus 3 sin cos theta plus 2 divided by sin square theta is equal to 1. We need to find the value of theta. So solution. In this case we need to make a single function, then we get the solution. Multiplying sin square theta on that side, we get 1 minus sin square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 2 is equal to sin square theta, and minus 2 sin square theta. Transferring the sin square theta this side, we get 3 minus 2 sin square theta minus 3 cos theta. Converting sin square theta into cos in terms of cos, we get 3 minus 2 into we get 1 minus cos square theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to 0. That is 2 cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. And taking as a cos theta as a variable and finding the roots using x is equal to minus b by a, b plus a minus b square minus 4 is c by 2a. We get b is equal to minus 3 and a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. Substituting this, we get cos theta is equal to 3 plus a minus square root of 1 divided by 4. That is 3 plus 1 divided by 4 means cos theta is equal to 1, or cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. theta is equal to 0, and if cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, then theta is equal to 30 is the solution. Therefore theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to 30, and given that theta is not equal to 0, so answer is theta is equal to 30. Thank you for watching our channel till here. Keep watching our channel and like and subscribe our channel videos and share your SSLC and competitive exam friends.